What is going on YouTube? Yet another demo ride from Victorville Harley-Davidson. Today I am on the Heritage Deluxe for the video, same day, but you know, ooh, look at that. I'm not gonna say this bike is super comfortable. It looks gorgeous, first off. Let's start with that. Harley was able to give this like heritage look, but new features. I don't know if you can see them, but we have a fuel gauge right here. We have a gear indicator, miles, you know, all your normal signal stuff here, turn signals, lights down there. So a couple extra little features for a bike that, you know, they're not going for that. People are usually riding this to not have those features, but nice to have the little features there. You know, same as the bobber being stripped down, it has a few extra features because it has that digital tack. Makes it cool that we can still have like old school stuff without having to have that that full fairing, and a lot of people that just don't want that. But it's a gorgeous looking bike. It's super comfortable. Now I'm 5'7", I pretty much flat foot the bike. It's got forward controls, it feels comfortable, the 107. I do wish the bars were up, because with the bars being right here and my arms being tucked down, I feel like I'm just like on top of the tank, and I just feel like I'm sitting here like this, like you know, too much on the tank. Where if the bars were up and I could be leaned back just a little bit more, I think I'd feel a lot more comfortable. And it's not that I don't feel comfortable, but I'd feel more into, like, enthusiastic. The other Heritage Classic had the like 10-inch bars, and it felt a lot different and felt a lot better in my opinion for my riding style. Now granted, like, my dad likes this buckhorn look. He'd probably want these maybe a little bit bigger, you know, arms out just a little bit more, and same thing, that would actually probably feel a little bit better for me. But other than that, I mean, I'm nitpicking because it's a gorgeous bike. It's super comfortable. The Road King is probably better for me because it's a little bit bigger. It feels bigger. And I think that makes it feel like overall, like, yeah, you know, it's supposed to be in it. It's kind of like a big guy driving a Geo Metro versus me being a big guy driving my truck. You know, it just kind of doesn't fit. It's like, I don't need to be on a Sportster. I'm a bigger guy. Granted, not saying that you don't. Like, if that's what you're comfortable, I ride the bobber. The bobber's not a huge bike, and I feel great on the bobber. I don't give a shit if people think big guy on a bobber. I'm gonna ride the crap out of Scout 60s, you know. And I'm not saying that they're bad small bikes. They're just smaller than the Scout, and they get a bad reputation about being a smaller bike. But it's a great, powerful bike, and it's super comfortable, even for me. So I'm getting more of, like, not just a guy, but a bigger guy. So that's why I got my chubby guy gear reviews. You know, this guys, gosh, man, come on. Always something though, right? But it's a gorgeous day out today for riding these bikes, and I think this has got the same paint job that Mr. Kiwi has on his Street Bob. The twisted cherry on top of that wicked red. Brother, this is gorgeous. I see your bike in videos and pictures, and I always like the color. We've been able to see it out in the sun. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna hop on the freeway. So that brings another demo ride to the end, and I say stay safe, stay classy. Woo, hoo, 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 hoo.